Ora Whanau, tuning in from Aotearoa, New Zealand, the land of the long white stallion.
That's not correct.
No audio.
Nah.
That, eh?
Nah. Kia Ora Whanau. This is the Whitakers tuning in from Ohope Beach, Bay of Plenty, Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud.
Kia ora, kia ora.
Kia ora. This one makes you feel like you need to bop your head. So if you're feeling that, you can bop along at home, wherever you are, in isolation, hopefully. Hey.
What I'm feeling is I need a pick.
Okay. Beer break, wine break. Grab yourself a glass if you want, or a water. Soft drink in the fridge. You like that one, eh, old boy?
Soft drink in the fridge. In the fridge is a drink. In the fridge is a drink.
Why did they call it soft drink? Do you know this one?
No. Don't. No idea.
Well, it was because neither. I don't know either.
You don't know? I don't know. We don't know.
We pretend we do that way.
How many ideas have we got?
Couple in the bank.
None. Alright, let's go.
Tahi, rua, toru, fa.
Dad's in the kitchen with the chips. The oven, it ain't still. It's quinoa patties to go with it. Nourish the stomach's obble. And out where
My pick, photo maker.
lost the pick.
I lost the pick. The pick was lost. Let's go and one, 2, 3, 4.
Sitting here by the fire, the sky's cloudless now. The sun is slipping to the ocean, and the moon's not far away. Corn's on the fire, there's potatoes in the oven inside. There's quinoa patties that Cat is making, and Taya's singing alongside. And Bodhi Ashah has just come to us. He's dancing the dance of the night. Listen for the birds and the treetops as they going to sleep for the night. So Kia Ora Whanau.
Yeah, check. Breaking it down, we break the fever. Looking at the liver, but I can't see past the grieving. I just wanna keep on leaving and living it. Every day I'm giving it, I give a bit, and then I receive it all. Reciprocity, yeah, you know how we're rolling around here. Ohope Beach, 69 Harbour Road. Kia Ora Whanau. 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 Kia Ora Whanau.